Recording of the session as well. I hope all of you able to hear me right. Okay. So I'm going to give a small introduction about myself. My name is Ram Boyapati. I have around 13 years of experience in IT industry. In this 13 years of experience, I have been working for different technologies like SQL Server, MSDI, Power Platform, Snowflake, and Azure Data Engineering experience I have. In this 13 years of experience, with the practical knowledge and the experience what I have gained from last 7 years onwards, I've been in this IT trainings and placements. I've been in this IT trainings and placements. In fact, I'm the first trainer for Power BI in India. I'm the first trainer for Power BI in India. So you can observe in this YouTube channel. So you can follow my YouTube channel as well. Inside the YouTube channel, I have uploaded almost 13,000, 13,000. Sorry, I have uploaded almost 40 videos in 2016. This is my YouTube channel. You can able to follow it over here. Okay. So simply you can goes to e-classes education. All of you please subscribe my channel as well. Okay. I'm going to share you my e-classes YouTube channel as well. Please subscribe to get more videos. So in 2016, when I was trying to work on these Power BI projects, that time when I'm trying to learn, because I was work for Azure Data Engineer, SQL Server and MSBI tool. In 2016, when I was working for SQL Server and MSBI technologies, then slowly Power BI is coming to the market in 2016. So my client was expecting to do a POC on Power BI. So that time I'm trying to learn this Power BI and going to the YouTube. Obviously, when we are trying to learn something, first we will look on the YouTube only, right? But I don't see even single video on the Power BI. Even Microsoft also not adding any videos in YouTube. So that's the reason I have learned this Power BI quickly by doing a self learning with the Microsoft documentation. The Microsoft documentation, I did a self learning in 2016 and then I made almost 40 videos. 40 videos at the time. No one knows about this Power BI in 2016. There is no trainer even to learn in the India. So that is the reason I have taken this as a challenge and I did almost 40 videos at the time I uploaded into the YouTube. Still there are so many videos with the uploaded date near 2016-17 around. So this is how I have started the Power BI training at the time and I had many batches, almost 200 batches I have given the training on this Power BI and many people were placed and we have delivered our training to across the globe, India, US and Australia. We have so many students from US and UK, Australia, Canada and Saudi. So there are so many students has joined my training on this Power BI as well. Okay. So with that reason, in 2016, I have started my institution e-classes. Our website is eclasses.com. Simply you can go to our eclasses.com. So this is our e-classes website www.eclasses.com and you can able to see what are all the courses we are offering and everything. And I have written two books as well. So total three books I have written. One is a complete Power BI book and second one is a complete Azure data engineering book and there is some interview question and answer books also I have written on this Azure data engineering as well. Okay. And apart from this, we have started our office location in Hyderabad, Amirpet. And if you want to see our office premises, you can directly visit or you can able to see our office premises over here as well. So this is how our office looks, and the people, the students who are practicing in our office. And this is our e-classes training institution. You can directly come to our office as well. Okay. Now, coming to this Power BI training, whichever we are going to offer, like most of the people who are like working in IT, already working in IT, and who are working in non-IT, and who are having a career gap. Okay, so some people having a career gap, some people having a fresh graduates. Anybody is welcoming to IT industry. The easiest tool with zero coding. This is the main important reason why Power BI is more attractive to the many people. This is a zero coding technology. So Power BI is a zero coding technology offering many institutions, and many students are learning this Power BI course. It is raising day by day because more companies are using data analytics platform, because without having data analytics platform you cannot improve your business. That is the reason the importance of this uh, data analysis is increasing day by day. So earlier days, when in uh, decades like 20 years back, like the reporting mostly done by using some excel excel and some other traditional reporting tools, ssrs and abnisio, ssrs, cognos, microstrategy. These are some popular tools, SAP, BO. By using these tools, we are doing a developing reports and dashboards to the customers. But now the more advanced and analytical tools are coming to the market. So that is the reason companies also expecting more advanced reporting, more advanced analysis. So Power BI is one of the popular, and Tableau and ClickView. So these are more popular tools currently in the market, gaining more data analytics platform over here. Okay, before understanding of all these things, first we need to understand what exactly, like we are hearing is a Power BI is a advanced reporting and dashboarding analytical visualization tool, correct? So you need to understand first what is reporting, what is dashboarding, what is analytics, what is visualization. Then only you can able to learn this Power BI course. Then you can decide whether you want to learn the Power BI course or not. Okay, so let me take one use case scenario over here. The use case is generally when as a your student, when you are coming from different backgrounds, whether you are working from IT background or non-IT background, or with a career gap after your completion of the graduation, and you recently passed out, when you want to learn any software course, definitely first you need to decide what kind of domain you want to learn. Okay, in software there are so many courses are there, but out of these many courses, which area I need to choose? Do I need to choose application development like a Java full stack, Python full stack, or .NET full stack, or do I need to learn any other security related, admin related, DevOps related? Okay, app development. So one area is app development. Second area is about like a security, nothing but a admin, and the next one is about the DevOps area. The next one is about the SAP modules. Or the next very important module is data side. So what exactly this data side and what kind of jobs available in the data side? So when you're coming to learn this anything on the data side, there is a data engineering job is there, there is a data analyst job is there, and there is a data scientist job is there. Three courses available in the market when you want to come to data side, because nowadays data is very important. In any business, if you don't have a data, there is no meaning of that one. If you don't have a data, your business nothing. When you have a lot of data, your business is good. So that is the reason what the importance of the data is increasing day by day, day by day. That is the reason there are so many projects on the data side. There are so many jobs on the data side. So let me try to understand what exactly a data engineer will do, data analyst will do, data scientist will do. Then after, where exactly this Power BI is going to fit for which role over here. These three jobs are the job roles, or you can say course names. When you are joining to a company, they will give you a role. You are a data engineer, you are a data analyst, you are a data scientist. So you need to understand very clearly what exactly a data engineer and what is a data scientist. If you see over here, I have a supermarket. One supermarket I'm operating in India, another supermarket I'm operating in US over here. As a customer, when you are going to any supermarket, you are buying a product and simply you will goes to the billing counter, point of sale. There is one application billing software. In front of the system there is some, who is called the person, cashier. So he's going to make your bill. That means it's a transaction. So the sales transaction, when it is happening, immediately in the back end there is a database is going to be storing of your data. Correct? Similarly, in US also, the same process is going to be happening for every store, every location. Your transactions data will be coming and storing in the backend database over here. Am I right? So this is how we are going to set up a business process. You can go to any business. Even if you are joining, enrolling for the e-classes also, we are going to give you a payment link for enrolling for a course. You are doing the transaction. That transaction details we are going to save in the backend somewhere. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Even if you are going to a medical shop, supermarket, or if you are booking a bus ticket, train ticket, flight ticket, everything from the application you are doing interactive, and that transaction details will be saved in the backend database. So this is called a business data. This is a business data. With this business data, let's take one more example. You are going to Amazon or a Flipkart. You are buying a products. That data will be saved in the backend. With that data, again the Amazon Flipkart is going to doing some promotions to you. They can understand what kind of products the customers are buying, and what are the top 10 products. Mostly we are having the sales top 10 products in the Amazon portal, and the least 10 products which we were not getting the sales, and current year versus previous year, how is the sales performance. This kind of analysis is very important for every report, every business owners. Correct? So that is the reason, whatever the business data we have in the business transaction systems, that data first we need to move into one particular place. All your business data you need to keep into one particular centralized location. So who is going to keep all this data into one location? That is data engineer. Data engineer is going to use some ETL tools like Data Factory, Databricks, Informatica, Abnisio, Data Stage, whatever. There are so many tools are there. By using those tools, he is going to move, he is going to ETL, extract, transform, load the data into one particular place over here. Going to keep into one particular place over here. So once the data is coming to one particular location, then as a Power BI developer, we are calling you as a data analyst. You are going to do a data analysis by using a Power BI tool. So by using this Power BI tool, we are connecting to the storage service where the data has stored the entire business data, and that data you are taking and designing of the reports and dashboards inside the Power BI tool. So we are calling this person, whoever developing the reports and dashboards, by using a software Power BI, is a data analyst. The person whoever is going to do this ETL process by using this ETL softwares available in the market, we are calling it as a data engineer. Data engineer role is, in the back end, he is going to processing of the data, ETL the data. Then whatever the data is making ready for the reporting, the data analyst is going to take that data and designing of the reports and dashboards over here. Okay, now I hope you understand who is a data engineer. Data engineer is a backend processing, cleaning, and transforming business data, making ready for reporting. Okay, backend is going to processing, cleaning, and transforming the business data and making ready for reporting and analysis over here. Clear. Now coming to the data analyst. Data analyst is whatever the business process data he will take, he will take and presenting that data like a reports and dashboards. Then who is a data scientist? Data scientist is going to work on the machine learning. So machine learning programming is going to learn. He is going to do more advanced kind of things. Advanced kind of things means he is going to implementing of the predictions and he is going to train the machines. Machines automatically will recognize like chat GPT and these kind of things. Okay. So now coming to this data engineering and data analyst, most of the people what the mistake they are doing, they are directly learning the data science course. They are directly learning the data science course and they are looking for the jobs but they were not getting the jobs. So when you want to start your career on the data side, either start with the data engineering or data analyst. So for data engineering purpose, the most demanding course currently in the market is Azure Data Engineering course. When you are coming to the data analyst side, the most demanding in the market is Power BI. Most demanding course is Power BI. So you can learn Power BI to become a data analyst over here. Okay, let's understand very thoroughly what is a reporting and what is a dashboard. Reporting means whatever the business data presenting to a customer in a meaningful way. Example, I have last 10 years data. So I just want to display like one report, last 10 years, the sales trend. The one best example for reporting is the last 10 years sales trend. This is one report. Dashboard means dashboards also like a the key insights about your business, like a total sales and a total product cost, total profit, okay? Total profit, all those things. You can understand the dashboards and kind of dashboards you can able to design. Can I show you some sample dashboards and reports? Sample Power BI report, how it looks. You can see the images. Sample Power BI reports. This is some one Power BI report over here. These are some sample Power BI reports they have designed by taking the data over here. Okay, you can able to see the sample Power BI dashboards as well. See, a dashboard is nothing but a new thing. It's not a new thing. Dashboard is a collection of same visualizations from the multiple reports. So this is one dashboard. Okay. So whatever the Power BI tool you are going to use, the competitors for the Power BI in the market is Tableau and ClickView. Tableau and ClickView. So before introducing of this Power BI, Tableau, ClickView, most of the companies are using for reporting purpose Excel and some traditional reporting tools like a Cognos, SAP BO. But why they are ignoring these tools currently in the market is because these tools are not supporting to connecting to many data sources. because nowadays the data is located in many different data sources. Like my data is in a Facebook, Twitter, and cloud environments like Microsoft Azure, AWS, and GCP. There are different kind of cloud environments. The data is stored. So these are not supporting to connecting to different kind of data sources, but these tools are supporting almost 200 plus data sources. You can able to connect into the 200 plus data sources, and you can able to design the reports and dashboards, and more advanced analysis you can able to perform. Anybody knows about the difference between the reporting and analysis? Reporting means just simply you are presenting what data you have. For example, last 10 years sales trend. This is called report. In the last 10 years, when you are looking on the sales trend, all of sudden there is 1 year sales has coming down. Let's for example, there is last 10 years sales I am designing. This is 1 year, this is another year, this is another year. This all of sudden there is a drastic change in the sales. Here you can see why this year it is for example 2017. In 2017 all of my sales is coming down. Why this is happening? This is called analysis. Okay, presenting of your sales trend is a report, but out of this only this year why the sales has coming down, that is called analysis. I hope you understand what is the difference between the reporting and analysis. So the earlier days, whatever the tools we are using, like this Excel, Cognos, SAP, BO, these can be doing only reporting. Those are not suitable to perform the analysis. So now these tools, Power BI, Tableau, ClickView, this you can able to perform the reporting and analysis as well. So comparing to Tableau and ClickView, why Power BI has the leader in the market from last 5 to 6 years? The reason because one is a cost, the second one is a number of features and more number of clients from the Microsoft, and it will support more number of uh, features comparing to Tableau and ClickView as well. So that is the reason 60 to 70 percentage of the market Power BI is gaining in the data analytics side over here. Okay, so what exactly we are going to do over here with the help of the Power BI? With the help of the Power BI, we are going to designing reports and dashboards. Let's for example, my business data is stored in SQL server, or my business data is stored in a Microsoft Azure cloud or AWS, or my data is in a file systems like a Excel file or CSV file or video file, or my data is in a website, or my data in a Oracle database. Your data might be any place. So simply you can able to install one software, Power BI desktop. Let me show you the Power BI desktop. This is something similar like your Excel. It's a free of cost, anybody can able to install in your machines. Power BI desktop, it's very easy to install. So with the help of this Power BI desktop, you can able to connect into any kind of database or any kind of data source. It is supporting almost 200 plus. You can connect into this data source, this data source, this data source, this one. You can connect into many number of data sources, and then you can able to take all the list of tables data into this Power BI desktop, and you can able to design the modeling over here. Okay, and then you can able to design the visualizations as well. Then after you are designing the reports by using a Power BI desktop, what you will do, you need to share this report to customers. Okay, let me open this Power BI desktop. So here I am going to open the blank report. So how to connect into the data sources? If you want to connect into the data sources, see there is a get data option. See, so you can simply click on more, cancel, click on more. There are so many data sources it is supporting. You can able to see it here. These are all the data sources it is supporting. In traditional reporting tools, these many data sources not available. Okay, when you are joining to any training institute, Simply ask them one point. What is that? Hey, are you going to, how many data sources you are going to cover in this training? How many data sources covering in this training? Right question. Then you can understand their how how much they are going to teach you. In my training classes, I'm going to use Excel, CSV, text file, JSON, XML file, okay, JSON, XML file, web, and SQL Server, Oracle, okay, and Azure Cloud, Blob Storage, Azure Cloud, Data Lake, Azure SQL Database, Azure Synapse, okay, Snowflake, okay, Snowflake. So these are all the data sources I'm going to cover. 90 percentage of your 90 percentage of the projects. Yeah, there is one more, live streaming, live streaming analytics also, how to perform this one, live streaming. So these many data sources I'm going to cover in my training. Just check with any training institution, whoever is offering a Power BI training, ask them what are all the data sources you are going to cover in your training. If they are covering these many data sources to connecting from Power BI, then you can join in that institution. So with this Power BI, you can able to connect into all those list of data sources. Then after you can design the reports and dashboards over here. Okay, let me use the recent data sources whichever I connected, and I'm going to take some data over here, and I will show you how to design the reports and dashboards. So I'm going to take a data from this SQL server, one simple table, dim customer table you can select, and simply load the data. Simply you can import the data, click OK. So it is going to take the data into Power BI. With the help of that data, you can able to design the reports. So after designing the reports, how you are going to share these reports to the customers? After designing of the reports, I am going to share these reports to the customers by publishing this report into Power BI website. Power BI website, that is Power BI online cloud website. Power BI online cloud website. I'm going to discuss completely thoroughly on this Power BI online cloud services as well. Power BI online cloud also I'm going to discuss it over here. So some clients they are not accepting to publish their reports into Power BI online cloud because this is managed by Microsoft. So simply we are going to use a server that is called Power BI report server. So it is more securable. It is managed by yourself only. So this is called Power BI report server. In this training, I am going to discuss about the Power BI report server. Power BI report server over here. And also, we are going to make a Power BI mobile app as well. If you want to see these reports and dashboards, whichever you are publishing in this Power BI online services, Power BI report server, simply you can able to use this Power BI mobile app. So these are the four main components inside the Power BI. We are going to discuss it over here. The main primary components of the Power BI is training we are going to cover is Power BI desktop, Power BI online cloud, Power BI report server, Power BI mobile app. These are the four components. Inside this Power BI mobile app, inside this Power BI desktop, when I'm developing the reports, you need to write down small calculations. For that, we are going to use a DAX functions. But I'm going to discuss thoroughly over in this training. Okay. So you decided finally to learn this Power BI. If I'm learning only this Power BI, is it enough for to get the job? Do I need any other skills I need to improve? Yes, it's my suggestion. Better you can learn two more things along with this to avoid the competition. Okay, there is more competition in the market. How to overcome this competition? You should have some knowledge on the SQL and Python, just basic knowledge. Okay, so whoever is going to join in this Power BI training, whoever joining in this Power BI training, for those people, we are offering 20 hours SQL live training, 20 hours SQL Server live training just for 299 rupees only, and 25 hours Python training, Python live training, Python for data analysis. Just we are offering 599 rupees only. The Power BI training with along with this Power BI training is going to be 40 hours duration it will take. Apart from this 40 hours duration, we are going to teach you parallelly 20 hours SQL Server, 25 hours on the Python. If you are already having this knowledge on these two, no need. But it's a bonus we are going to provide for you to brush up your skill, to make your resume, and also we are going to provide you some sample resume preparations as well. Sample resume preparation and interview questions also I'm going to provide over here. With one live project also we are going to explain you. So this is fair enough to attend the interviews and jobs. Okay. So the current charges what we are going to charge for this Power BI training is 13,000. But for only this batch, we are going to offer for only Power BI this much. Okay. So you can decide and you can reach out this number for any kind of questions and clarifications you required related to this training. You can reach out this number. If anybody wants to speak with me personally, you can call to this number as well. From Monday onwards, we are going to start our regular Power BI training sessions. Use the same meeting link. Our team will reach out to you whoever fill this form. I hope all of you fill the form, right? Anybody not at fill the form? So just please fill the form. I'm going to share that form again. So please fill that form. You will receive a call what time our sessions are going to be start from Monday onwards. Okay, so there are like a lot of big discounts and offers is going on for this batch, so you guys can enroll as early as possible for this batch. Okay, so if you want to see the full content of this course, then simply you can we will share our brochure to everyone in WhatsApp if you are filling the form. Okay, so this is the course content what I'm going to cover: the data warehousing concepts and Power BI desktop, complete Power BI desktop and Power Query editor. There are different kind of options available in the Power Query editor, and then after we are covering about the Power BI online cloud services, and then after Power BI report server, and we need to cover the DAX as well. Okay, then after Power BI mobile app also we are going to cover it over here. Okay, so end to end project and more scenario based tasks also are going to be included over here. Okay, so this is all about today demo session. So one more time I'm requesting, if anybody not fill the form, please fill the form. Clear? Now you can ask the questions if you guys have any questions. Go ahead, your questions if anything you have.
Can you get the recording of this demo, sir?
Yeah, every day once the class completed, we are going to share the class recording videos and class notes as well through our LMS portal. We have our LMS portal for I'm requesting, and also we have a mobile app also we have. For all of you, I'm requesting to log into this LMS portal, register, and also you can download our mobile app. So when you are practicing the sessions also, there is a chat option inside our mobile app and our LMS portal. You can reach out always through the chat also the trainer. Yeah, we will share this recording video after this session.
Sir, offline classes is available or only online you can do the classes?
Yeah, you can come to the offline as well. Yeah, the timings and everything our team will talk with you now after 1 hour, and they will decide the timings according to your convenient, and we can announce the timings. Okay. The regular sessions will be
Okay.
from Monday. So we have two free
Okay.
sessions. So after the two free sessions, you can able to decide whether you want to continue.
Okay, right.
So please reach out the number whichever we are displaying over here. Please take this number. Everyone, please reach out this number for any more clarification. And this course content also we are going to share with you. Any more questions? No questions? All right. Thank you, guys. Let's meet on the Monday regular session. Thanks for joining this demo session.
Yeah, thank you.